Make a great choice today with the 2022 Taycan. The Porsche Taycan is an electric vehicle that still lives up to the hype of being a Porsche. Unmatched looks, power, and luxury, with the added plus of being an electric vehicle. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, navigation system, driver airbag, passenger airbag, Bluetooth, air conditioning, moonroof, power steering, cruise control, center armrest. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.